Okay guys, this is a 2019 Kia Optima SX-L presented to you from Real Deal Auto. Top of the line package, has the turbo, rebuilt title, damages right through here, all been fixed up. Got some good tires on there. Heated cooled seats, auto hold, heated steering wheel. 68,956 on the miles, adaptive cruise. All your climate control, all your power options. Does have all your manuals in there, navigation. Backup camera with 360 camera, only in the SX-L. This does have a big panoramic sunroof. So lane assist, blind spot monitors, Harman and Kardon sound system, all your power mirrors, power windows, power locks, power seats. Really nice cross stitch on these SX-Ls. There's your VIN number. This does have the window shades there for the back kids. Heated rear seats. All your power options. Red brakes. These Kias, they all seem to have the wheels kind of pilling. Molding's a little beat up down here. We show you what most dealers would not show you. Figure being honest is the best policy. Just show how it is, what it is. This dash looks like it's in good shape. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.